esukuru eyo yabamura ya Cardinal tinga yatulibaga lyokwaligania chigosori kerengo kiri Sekondari sensemeri ya Nationals oigoni go babere bakwirali bageria bene kwaligania abatiotereria bechigosori ende kwesokia asobonge na bigokone kebnango korekana chire ubuikiranu.
My name is Gerald Ayera, Deputy Principal Cardinal Tunga High School. Thank you, members of the Fourth Estate. This school, Cardinal, the Red City, has been given the right to co-host the national events, termed to sports activities. Our school has been earmarked to host soccer, volleyball, and the lawn tennis. I want to tell you that the public and the Nyanza and Kisii County region, you are most welcome to these events. Come and entertain yourself because we have the best from all the 8 regions in this country. I want to tell you that preparations are on top gear. We have prepared the fields. We have prepared all the fields that are going to be used for the event. And the team on the ground, led by our senior principal, Mr. Ezekiel Yokeo, is all out to ensure that we have hosted a successful term to national events in our school. Thank you.